Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another weekly grocery haul. We have a little bit of a mishmash of a grocery haul this week. So we did not need a lot of things for our weekly grocery haul. So let me just show you a few fill-in items that we did get and a purchase I made from Walmart. So let me show you what we got. We have been doing the keto diet, most of you are aware. And we're doing extremely well. We have not had any cheat days. You know, the kids are a little bit more lax than what I'm doing. They pretty much can have what they want with the exception of a ton of carbs or processed. So we're making that adjustment for them. But I'm sticking to strictly keto. So I picked up this sugar-free syrup. This will be 0 net carbs. I picked up a thing of heavy whipping cream and I went to Walmart. I got this thing of Leland coconut oil. This was like $5 and some change, and it was it's the big one. It's for 30 ounces. And I use that in my bullet coffee and to do a little bit of cooking. I did have to get something for some regularity because nothing I'm taking is working. And I am having just that particular personal issue on keto. I'm doing the magnesium, I'm doing the potassium, I'm doing the sodium, and I got nothing happening. So I just picked up just a little bit of a liquid magnesium there. Hopefully. Anyway, we picked up a few snacks. We got these sugar-free pudding. These come in at 4 net carbs, and then we got sugar-free jello. These come in at 0 net carbs. We picked up 60 eggs. We do plan to do quite a bit of breakfast meals cook ahead this week, and that's going to help us. I picked up some strawberries. Of course, Jackson has already been into the strawberries, but I picked up this is 2 pounds of strawberries. These were only $3 and some change. I picked up some energy. This is just a Walmart brand of the energy cherry limeade. Then I picked up blackberry lemonade, sugar-free. This is also mixed berry. This has electrolytes, all sugar-free there, because I'm drinking a lot of water and I want to have a little bit of flavor in my water. The next thing I picked up was this no sugar added bread and butter pickle chips. For 6 of these pickles is 1 net carb. Alana likes bread and butter pickles. I don't like pickles, period. So I did get this for her. I picked up this triple chocolate artificially flavored coffee. These are K-Cups. I cannot find nutritional information for this. No matter what I look up or scan it in my carb manager, it is not there. So I'm going to keep looking. I'm hoping that it's 0 carbs because it just sounded like something I wanted to try. I picked up these cheddar cheese snacks. One of our biggest issues is that in the afternoon, we're changing clothes really quickly and heading straight out to Taekwondo. And we are just getting home now, and it's 8 p.m. And I pretty much have been gone for 12 hours of my day. And so we don't really have a lot of time for meals on these evenings, and we're out and the kids are expending energy, or I would have went to the gym, so we just needed that. So I just picked that up, and of course we opened that already. The one thing I really wanted to get was this Belgian waffle maker, because we are going to be making some Belgian waffles. So I did pick this up from Walmart. It is the Oster brand, and it was like $17 and some change. I picked up a big thing of water. And that pretty much is my grocery haul for the week. I may have to do a few little fill-in things, but we are full at the end. So everything you see here cost $61.38. I had done a small job that paid $50. So I only had to come out of pocket with $11.38 because I used my job money. I also did sell 2 things on eBay this week, so that was pretty good. For about $40 is what I sold those 2 items for. This is my weekly grocery haul / waffle maker. Okay everybody, so I'm going to add on this little bit of a small Aldi grocery haul. So you did see Walmart yesterday, but I wanted to add in just a few things that I was able to pick up at Aldi because I needed them. So I picked up some of this active dry yeast. I saw Mega from Keto Connect talking about this, possibly using this in some bread. So I'm going to see if this would be something I could use in some keto bread. I don't know if I can or not, but I'm going to try it. It was 95 cents. I picked up some of the pure Irish butter, the Kerrygold. They did not have this at my Aldi last week, but they had it this week, and it was $2.85. I picked up this Happy Farms mozzarella cheese. There's 8 cups in here. This was $4.99, and I'm using the Craveable Keto Cookbook, and so what I'm finding in the cookbook is she recommends getting this mozzarella shredded cheese that has the potato starch on it instead of cornstarch for the recipes. And I actually forgot to stop by the library today because I had put on hold the 30-minute keto cookbook that Kendra does, and it's in. So I'm going to go by there and pick that up. But this was $4.99. I got some Parmesan cheese for $1.99. We got some Swiss and Gruyere. I think this was two and some change. I can't remember off the top of my head. I got some Baby Bella mushrooms or cremini mushrooms for a recipe. This was $1.59. I did look for the whites, but they didn't have. These were cheaper. The whites were $1.75. I picked up some grated Parmesan for $2.29. I picked up this Simply Nature organic peanut butter. I can get this same peanut butter with just the same ingredients, peanuts, sea salt, at Harris Teeter for $1.99, but this was $3.89 and I didn't want to make another trip. I picked up 2 of the center cut bacons. This was $3.89. 2 of the chicken broths, the Fit and Active. All the chicken broths had the same macros, but this was 49 cents each. I picked up a thing of coffee. So yesterday I got coffee from Walmart. I wasn't sure about the macros, but I didn't like the coffee. It was like a triple chocolate something, and that wasn't working for me. So I picked up this. It's the donut store, or kind of probably donut shop knockoff, and that was $4.29. I picked up some more garlic powder for 99 cents. This was a great score for us. I picked up some of this. This is kind of the Aldi brand of the Halo Top ice cream. We got vanilla and we got 1 chocolate. They were $2.99, and so there are there's 12 carbs in this one, but there are 3 fibers and 4 sugar alcohols. So we're going to take out 5, which makes this 5 carbs for a half a cup. I picked up some 100% lemon juice for lemonade that we make using stevia, and then I picked up 2 of this was $1.89, and then I picked up 2 of these little things of radishes. Also in the Craveable Keto Cookbook, there is like a potatoes O'Brien kind of thing, but she uses radishes, and so they were 49 cents a bag, so I'm going to try these to see if the kids and I like them or like that recipe. So I picked these up because they were really good price. And I also have I think I have a turnip in the fridge that I got from somewhere. I can't remember. And then I got Jackson a bag of apples for $2.79. So that is our small Aldi haul, keto friendly. And we paid right at $35 for what you see here. So that is an addition to the previous Walmart grocery haul. I just wanted to add it in here. So thank you guys so much again for stopping by our channel. And we'll see you next time we grocery shop. Bye now.